Okay, so everybody, for those who do not know me, I'm Val, the pressure washing queen. Only one of Gwinnett County, and I make no apologies. The important thing is, for this tequila business, how I get to know tequila business, Mr. Phillip. Mr. Phillip introduced me to tequila because I'm part of the Small Business Samaritan. Aline, because of the event, beautiful event hall that she had, and I did a presentation. Some people said, Val, why don't you join the tequila business? But I was coming there, bringing people, but I wasn't joining. But then I realized, you know what, man, I'm the queen, I gotta be everywhere. So I chose to join the tequila. Now, today we have giveaways coming from Jennifer and her team, her husband and the daughter. So that goodie bag, it wasn't me, guys. It wasn't me. Another thing, the giveaway, I know what it is. So whoever wins that giveaway, please open it in front of me so I can see it. But pressure washing is not just pouring water in the house, right? And I don't blast your water, I blast dirt. So one family at a time, I will take your residential as well as commercial. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to shine. I'm sorry. Did he introduce himself?
Nick, yeah, come on, Nick. I know you read everybody at the door, that's why.
So what I'm trying to do is creep the kids in so I can see when I leave the house early in the morning. I don't just waste time. I try to get, input. So now you can see what I've been doing. So you won't say, Mommy, you wasting our time. So just leave it. Thank you so much for
Nick, everybody,
You were doubtful, but
pretty much I'm learning from leading by example.
Good. Great. That's awesome.
Whatever she do, I support.
Good job, Val. You did a good job.
Thank you.
All right.